Welcome to the North East Modified Car Show. I'm going to give a bit of a tour of the local area and show you what cars we have up in the northeast of England. So I'll have a bit of a scoot round and I'll show you what's on show. You enjoying yourself? Yes. You don't get that all hydro.
80 quid for the rest of the stuff to be matching, yeah. So
is it? Freaking hell. It's clean, like, isn't it?
It's just pissing me off this little bit, so spend too long on it, so
people don't realise them little bits that like affect you.
People will be like, people will be like, oh, looks a shit. I would be like, yeah, shit paint there, you know, all the little fiddly bits.
And to someone else, this is their like dream.
Yeah.
Just to have this. How long you had it?
2 years.
Oh, so
I bought it second hand, 34,000 miles. It's got 50 on now.
Trouble free.
Huh?
Trouble free.
Do you mean that?
Like you've had no trouble with it?
Oh no, yeah. Touch wood.
Oh, brill.
Yeah.
So what have you done to it then?
Full system cat back, motorsport exhaust, 1,300 quid worth.
Oh, yeah.
Said ram intake there. It took 7 hours to fit. It wasn't the best. And then other than that, not a lot. Like I say, just hydro dip. It's just all about the looks, you know, the painted wheels and all that, really.
Body metal polish.
He's got that.
There's a time where you can go too far with something and it starts looking like distasteful.
But mine was the wheel colour. Obviously that one needs redoing now, but I painted it the other day just to cover it up. But I say, people say they don't like the orange. I like the orange.
The thing is, it breaks it up, doesn't it? There's the thing is having too many dull colours on a car.
The thing is, if you look around, you go, I haven't seen another one of them colours. And that's the only reason you do it. You take the risk.
And I bet you everyone knows you for the colour of the car.
Yeah, they do actually. Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Yeah, I have the same problem.
What do you drive?
Wadona. Pontiac Trans Am.
Fair one.
We've turned up today in a 1,1600 horse RS6 saloon, which is in the car park just over there. There it is, just through the car, sir. You see the blue one?
Yeah, I can, yeah.
So there's that on the channel. So yeah, we've literally just started the channel off last month.
Yeah, I'll give you a follow, no problem.
Yeah. And this was just a request because I've got that many cars at the garage.
All right.
It's like people kept coming over and they're going, why don't you start a channel? And we can watch it from there because the garage was just busy all the time.
Might as well.
Ever since I've started the channel, I don't have the crowds at the garage no more. It's bro.
There you go. Yeah, that's decent, that, aye. But like I say, we all those lot from the business, like I say, I took my stickers in the back window. And, it's our proper first show because we started up at the end of 2019 and then COVID hit. And because COVID hit, you know, there's no shows last year, so it's our first one, and then we're there every couple of weeks now. Probably everywhere. Cumbria in a fortnight. I don't know if you're there.
Yeah, we're there.
Yeah.
I'll meet you over there.
As a collective again, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to put it on the show stand because the Audi guys are asking.
Yeah.
But last time I took my car to a show,
Lovely
like there were scratches all over it.
Yeah.
It was a nightmare. Yeah, that's one of them.
Lovely that, innit?
That's 77, that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm going to try and get out as much as possible because obviously the COVID thing happened. We were supposed to start the channel off before it.
That's something else, that, isn't it?
But yeah, 10,000 watt stereo system, all touchscreen tablet.
Where are you from, like? Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah. So are you the ones in the town centre?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm from Billington. See, I'm the top end near the Oaken Farm.
Oh yeah. So you know.
And like I say, every time I see that in the car park, I walk past it and I'm just like, this is a lovely car that is.
That's class. That.
That's the only car I reckon. As soon as I seen it and I seen like the lines on the floor, I was like, that's in the town. That lovely that is.
But yeah, there's a few. We've got all sorts like kicking about. Just now I need to down them. We're going after so I need to get rid of at least 3 or 4 of them.
You've got an escort, haven't you?
Yeah. So there's a lot to get rid of.
Yeah.
But like I said, COVID it. I had a lot going. Just ready to go. Then the sats, then we had a couple of family problems and so the cars just sat, and it's like you come back to the car and like, where's that rust spot come from? Where's that one come from?
It's like you just went for your first shot. A long drive.
I just want to say I got diagnosed with cancer in February, so like it's nice for me to get back out and about, you know.
Yeah, it's nice to have that free.
Do you know what it was? It took me months to be able to actually do anything, and now I'm like, I need to clean that car. I got neglected for 6 months, and I hated seeing dirt on it, dust on it, anything. And then like I say 7 hours on Friday, and we're back at it.
Went at
Play
it.
bad a lot.
Well, like I said, if you're ever in the town, I've got a steam pressure washer, Karsha,
Appreciate that.
and we use it in the wheel latch all the time because the amount of salt that falls out the cars is ridiculous. Well, you know, with the council.
Yeah.
On a summer's day, they were still putting salt down on the road.
Yeah.
So, you know, they must have just bought it and just chucked it down.
Yeah.
But yeah, every other car is just, it's eating the inside, the wheel arches. So I've had to get that steam cleaner to get rid of it all. It's the only way of doing it, like, without putting cold water and wrecking it.
Yeah. Well, that was when we came today. I just thought the state of these cars if it rains. Touch wood. It holds like this.
I think it's going to be like this because, like I said, you could feel it in the atmosphere, complete change on the way down. Like it was dead moist, where now it's the humidity's changed a little bit.
I met up a port track, and like I say, it was raining.
Right.
I was driving through the rain this morning, and I just thought, not another one.
So what cleaning products did you bring today then? Oh, bloody hell.
Take your pick. That's a crazy lot, huh? Yeah, I do.
It's like brought half the garage.
Hey,
You done a good job cleaning, come down here. We jet washed ours off yesterday and oh my god, it's a mess now. It's an absolute mess. I was going to say that colour done that, popped didn't it on that?
Do you know what? I like the back end rather than the front. I don't know what it is.
It's got like that wide arse on it, hasn't it?
And like I say, it's completely standard suspension and that's not even lowered, but just with that little body kit on.
It suits it, yeah, it's complete change. Oh, do your thing. I can edit them bits out.
You should see these cars, mate, if you want to see some cars. Yeah. They showed me then, I went, no way, you're in the town centre.
Yeah, I know, like everyone knows each other.
Because once you see that car in the car park, you just think that is the shit. And these own it.
Yeah. Subscribe to the channel.
I will do. Yeah.
But yeah, I'm going to get them on.
Would you use this one?
Metal polish?
Oh, if you engine bit? Yeah. Ask him, he'll get you on the YouTube, mate, on your car.
Yeah, I'll do that.
That was totally standard like when I first met him.
I was just telling you, before COVID, there wasn't a thing done to it, and then COVID screwed it for a year, didn't it? And then we just got out and about.
Just went to town. Doesn't have to with the orange. Just breaks the colour up. Doesn't have.
So it wasn't going orange originally, was you? And then I got a message first thing in the morning and he's like, I've done something.
I was just telling Lisa, obviously it'll be completed next week.
Yeah.
Because all my bits in the engine bay are going to Sean.
Done a good job of it then, haven't you?
Yeah, it's nice,
Spend
aren't
enough time on it, don't I? So.
Yeah, exactly.
It's all we seem to do, to be fair.
Just like you, so you can't really argue.
I know, yeah.
You can't build your car all week.
Oh, it's beautiful, that.
Not Skyline's right, isn't it?
But yeah, I'll get some video footage of it.
Yes.
Then go around.
Come on, lad.
Please click subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content, and we'll keep you up to date as much as we can with upcoming videos.